back again. So let's prove this trig identity. So it says that the square root of 1 plus sinA over 1 minus sinA equals secA plus tanA. So now, to prove this trig identity, we are going to start from our left-hand side. So from our left-hand side, we have the square root of 1 plus sinA over 1 minus sinA. So we are going to see, when it comes to proving, one thing that we must always have at the back of our mind is where we are going to, where we are actually going to. So we are proving from our left-hand side from our left-hand side that this will actually give us this. So this is our final destination. So this must be at the back of our mind. So since our final destination rather is not having square root, so which means that we must deal with this square root. So how do we do that square root? We are going to multiply the numerator and denominator by square, so we can deal with that square root. So it's going to become the square root of 1 plus sinA, we have square, over 1 minus sin square A. So now, we are going to recall from our trig identities that we have cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1. So we are going to bring this to this other side. It's going to become cos square A equals to 1 minus sin square A. So it means that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So in this case here, instead of writing this, I'm going to plug in this. So we now have the square root of 1 plus sin A squared over, so instead of writing this, we have this cos square A. So we have equals the square root of, we can write this by, we can give this numerator and denominator a single square. So which means that it's going to be 1 plus sin A over cos A all squared. Then this, we eradicate this. So what do we have left? We have 1 plus sin A over cos A. So what are we going to do from here? We are going to split this expression. So it's going to become 1 over cos A plus this 1 over this cos A plus sin A over cos A. So when we do this, it's setting as this. So this is setting as this. So from our trig identities again, recall that sec theta equals to 1 over cos theta, and sin theta over cos theta equals tan theta. So it therefore implies that 1 over cos theta is sec theta, sin theta over cos theta is tan theta. So instead of writing 1 over cos, what do we have? Sec theta. So therefore 1 over cos theta is what? Sec theta plus, okay, we are using A, let's say sec A, then sin A over cos A will give us what? Tan A. So we have what? We have proven that what? The left hand side equals to the right hand side. If you find this video helpful, kindly do it to share to your friends, share to your colleagues as well too. Then follow this page for more. Thank you very much.